Here is another question from one of our viewers. They wanted to know if a handrail could also be a guardrail. And as far as residential construction goes, the building of homes that we live in, then there's a very good chance you could build something like this. And it's all going to hinge off of whether or not the height of the handrail, which is usually going to be between 34 and 38 inches, can fit into the minimum height for a guardrail. And these measurements can be anywhere from 34 to 42 inches, with 36 or 42 inches being used as the most common measurements. So you could see where a situation like this would work if the handrailing building codes allow for a grippable handrail between 34 and 38 inches, and the minimum height for the guardrail would be 36 inches. However, we would have a different situation here where the guardrail looks like the minimum measurement is 42 inches. And the grippable handrails look like they fall between the 34 and the 38 inch measurement. And the measurements I'm referring to will come off of the front corner of the step. This will be a vertical measurement. And I do have plenty of videos on handrails and guardrailing building codes at our website, so make sure that you check those out as well. And let's go ahead and wrap this video up with the only people who can actually answer this question, and that would be your local building department if you have one. If you don't have one, then you can probably build whatever you want to, even though I wouldn't advise it.